Okay.
It's quite it's quite blurry when you sent to me, but I guess the question was asked right the equivalent expression. Is it correct? From 11 to 20.
Yeah, correct.
Right. Okay, let's do it quickly. Number 11. Number 11 is 3 times m plus 3 equal to box m plus what box? So we have already studied and a little bit review of the three property of operation, which are commutative,
Oh, yeah. Relative,
yeah,
uh,
commutative,
distributive,
yeah,
associative.
distributive. Okay, a little bit review. Commutative is the commutative, commutative property is the property that
Hold up.
can
Hold up. Okay.
so commutative is the property that can
Now you like switch the thing.
switch. Switch. Okay, that can switch. So it can flip from a plus b, something like a plus b equal to b plus a. Right? Or a times b equal to b times a. So we can flip from a plus b plus a, something like this. What is associative?
Associative is like, oh, hold up. Hmm. Where are my notes? This is not my notes.
Yesterday, second, right?
Where are my notes?
Associative is okay.
This
Now
is
we
actually
get the concepts. It's actually the order grouping. So okay, let's come into the practice. Like for example, you come to this group, it's also the same. You come to this group, the result will be the same. So that is associative. So you are the associative. You know, like if in class, some class we divide into group. Like group this is good student, this group this is okay student, group this is quite okay student. But for example,
like switch.
you are in this group, or you are in this group, or you are in this group, result will be the same. That is called associative.
I found my notes, but it's like the ability to change, but in parentheses and in the correct order, right?
Yes, and result will be the same. So for example, a plus b plus c, or a plus
Plus
b plus c
B.
are the same. So even you are in these groups or you are in these groups, result will be the same. So this is associative. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about distributive? Distributive. Distributive.
Distributive is like expanding, opening the brackets to
Yes.
simplify the question.
Yes. Yes. Simple word is called expanded, but in the simple word that you can identify is we open the parenthesis and simplify them. So, for example, A times B plus C will be equal to A.
A A
Mhm.
times B plus A times C.
Correct. So, what do you think? Number 11, which property using? Number 11.
Yeah.
Which property are we using? Which property are we using? Commutative, associative, or distributive?
Distributive.
Distributive, yes, the distributive. So 3 times m plus 3 will be equal to
3 times M.
3 times m, yes,
Oh, 3. Well, yeah. Plus 3 times 3.
3 times 3. Is it already the result? No, we can calculate
No.
a little bit more, right? 3 times m is
Just
3m,
3M.
correct? 3 times 3 is
9.
9. Okay. So now we can fill in the box.
So it's just 12M. But that's the answer, right? Right?
No,
Yeah?
we fill in the box here. How do we fill? This is the result.
3M plus 9.
Okay, so 3 here and 9 here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's number 11 finish. Duplicate here, duplicate here. Okay, now 11 finish. Let's go to 12. Okay, 12 we have 20, 20 n, 20 n's minus 4 m's, and we want to have a result of 4 times, we don't know here, and then n's minus, we don't know here, m's. Okay, so we will start from the left side. Start from the left side, which is here. So start from here to convert to these.
It's 5 and subtracted by about like 1M.
Correct. Correct. How do you figure that out? We
I just 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, you know?
Yes. So 4 times 5 is 20. If you distribute back, it will be 20 minus 1m, right? 4 times 1m. So if we distribute back, 4 times 5n will be 20n minus 4 times 1m will be 1m. Or 4m. Okay, that's a quick answer from you. This is very nice. Number 13. Number 13. Okay. 3 times x minus 6, right?
Yeah.
3 times x minus 6. Result will be
3x
3x
subtracted by
subtracted by
3 times 6
3 times 6, which is not get a result. Result is 3x still remains 3x.
by 18.
Yes, 18. So this is the result. So I think next quiz you will be like, what was your last quiz score, by the way? 90
Uh,
something. You told me like you got 90 something last quiz.
Oh, I got 95. Yeah.
Oh, so this time maybe 99 probably.
No, probably zero. I'm just kidding.
Okay, we did it. Great now. Now we on a good tracks. So how about this one? 2x plus 10. What do we need to do?
It's we just need to do two parentheses.
Yeah, we take 2 out of parentheses, and then what will be remaining inside the parentheses?
Uh, 1x.
1x,
Yeah.
okay.
Plus
1x
5.
plus
Plus 5.
5. Uh, this is also okay, but to be like very okay, 1x equal to, can we calculate this?
X.
X, yes, x plus 5. This is final result. 15, okay. 15 is, okay, 8 times 2y is 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4. What will be the results?
It's
We
16y
16y. So yeah, 8 times
plus,
2y is 16y. Yes, faster.
and then we have to
Distribute
plus,
another one. Plus
we have to multiply 8 and 1/4.
8 times 1/4, right?
Yeah, hold on.
8 times 1/4. So
I
this
need a pencil for that.
mhm, 8 times 1/4.
2
2, yes. 16y plus 8 times 1/4 is 8 times 1. I mean, h over 1 times 1 over 4. And then 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 over 4 is 2. Right. So this is
Yeah.
okay. Correct. Finish number 16. 16, wait, wait. 16, 5.7 plus 3x, oh, 3v plus 0.3. Oh. So what is this equal to? What property we will be using? What property will be used?
Distributive.
Is it
Oh,
distributive? The property we will use is a,
distributive. Because we're opening the bracket bracelets, aren't we?
no. Distributive is we expand them by opening the brackets and simplify them.
Are we not simplifying it?
It's, yeah, we will simplify, but okay. The word is expanded them by we calculate distribute into each of the number inside the parentheses. For example, this, when it has multiplication a times b plus c, so we distribute a into b, distribute a into c. That is distributive. But associative is we open the parentheses, but result will be remain the same.
Associative as we open
The
the
parentheses.
the parentheses, but The answer will be the same.
result will be the same. So a plus b inside the parentheses plus c equal to a plus b plus c, meaning that now, okay, at the left side, b is team up with a, right? B is team up with a or grouping with a, but then the right side, b is grouping with c, but the result of these operation will be the same.
So it's associative?
So yes, associative. This is
But how we where
how do you identify, right? So
yeah.
another tricks to identify, if parentheses multiplies, for example, this is 2 here, it's a distributive. But if parentheses with addition or subtractions, it will be associative. Easy
If
to
it's parentheses with
understand, right?
addition or subtraction,
Yes, if parentheses
associ-
with addition or subtraction, it's associative. But if parentheses with, let's say, here is without a sign, it's the multiplication, right?
yeah.
Yes. If 5.7 times 3z plus 0.3, it will be distributive.
Okay.
Mhm.
So if it's
Yeah, if
multiplication
it's multiplication, it's distributive. If it's addition or subtraction, it's addition or subtraction with the parentheses, it's associative.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So then now we cannot, okay, order operation we will do the parentheses first, right? But how can we do with the number and variable? We cannot. So then we have to change the groupings.
Okay.
Correct. We change the
So
group is 2z remain the same, but now number with number 5.7 plus 0.3. Right? So
okay.
associative is the ability to change the different group, but result remain the same. But
Yeah.
only work with the adding or subtraction of the parentheses. Mhm. Okay, so
Yeah.
3z is variables, they remain the same, plus 5.7 plus 0.3 equal to,
It is 6.
yes, 6. Okay, so a little bit, uh,
Isn't it just 9z?
wait. So when we add is like this. So 7 plus 3 is 10, which is 0, 1 here, so then 6.0, which is 6, correct? 3z plus 9, oh, 3z plus 6. Can we calculate more?
Yeah.
Yes or no? This is
No.
what we call, yes, what is, this is variable, right? This
Yeah.
is constant. So variable cannot add with constants, right? Variable is a variable. Constant is a constant. For example, you have 3 iPhone plus $5. Can that mix up in one things?
Can you mix up what?
3 iPhone. Let's say Z is represent iPhones. Your phone, iPhones. Let's say.
I don't have a phone. Anyway.
Just the example, like one example.
Okay.
3Z. Let's say Z is the iPhones. So you have 3 iPhone plus $6 note. Can that mix up together? Cannot, right? It cannot be like
No,
dollar
because
inside the phone.
they're different
Yeah, they are
units.
different items. They are different items. Unless 3Z plus 6Z can be added together.
Can we add them together?
Yes,
Yeah,
3Z.
because they both have variables
Yes,
and they're like terms.
yes, because they are the same variable. What if 3x plus 6Z can we add
No,
them together?
they're not like terms.
Yeah,
They're not like terms.
they are not the same items. Like you have
Yeah.
3 iPhone plus 6 motorbikes.
Like I can't add €6 to $6.
Correct, correct. It's different items, so we cannot add.
Yeah.
Sorry, cannot add them. Great. So 16. Today we will try to finish as fast as possible. Now let's go 17. We have 5W minus 15. How how can we write the equivalent expression from 5W minus 15? The
Um.
5W minus 15. It's something similar to this exercise.
This is it. 5 parentheses.
Mhm.
Wait. Go back. Go back to the other side.
Okay.
5 parentheses.
5
No.
parentheses
5 parentheses. Hey.
plus
Hey. Five. Is it 5W parentheses?
5W, what else?
Subtract
Subtract.
15. No.
Now we open the parentheses, right? We open the parentheses, meaning we take 5 out. We take 5 out of them. We take 5 out of them. So we take 5 out of 5W. So we only have W left. The first term, 5W. When we take 5 out of W, we have W left. Now, when we take 5 out of 15, how much we have left?
5 out of 15.
Yes,
10.
no,
Yeah.
not 5 out of 15. We take 5.
5.
So 15 is the combined number of 5 and when we
5.
study prime factorization, 5
Perfect.
times
There.
5 times,
5 times 3 equals 15.
yes, 3. So when we take this out, we remains
3.
3. This is a reverse of the distributive, right? When we do distributive, we distribute 5 to each of the term inside the parenthesis. Right?
Yeah.
Now it's the undo. It's the reverse of the distributive. So we take 5 out. Let's say
5 out. So
undistributive. Yeah.
just 3.
So 5 out. So what we have left from here is W minus 3.
3.
Correct?
5 times 3 equals 15, and
Yes.
then it's
5
just W.
3 is yes. Because like when we distribute back, 5 times W is 5W. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it remains the same. So this is like reverse of distributions or distributive. Okay. Number
Yeah.
18, we have, okay, this is again 2x plus 4y. So what should we write to have equivalence expression? Yeah,
Two
equivalent
parentheses.
expressions. What should
Wait.
we take out from the parentheses?
They're not like. Wait. Is that for y?
No,
Or is
now,
wait? No. No. Does that say for y? I'm talking about like. Does that say for y?
yeah, this is 2x plus 4y.
But they're not like terms, so we can't add them yet.
Yeah, we
No.
cannot add them yet, but what we have in common,
The
x and
whole
y
number.
are different items, so we cannot have
Don't
in common. 2
take
and
out the variable or something.
variable, we cannot take it out because they are having different variable, right? This is x, this is y, so totally different. 2 and 4, do they have something in common?
Yeah, they're both whole numbers.
They both even number, right?
Oh, yeah, they're both even numbers.
They both even number. So what do they have in common?
What do they have?
Even
The
number.
fact that they're even numbers, no?
They have the factor of
Two.
2. Yes, they have the factor of 2. So can we take 2 out of parentheses?
Yeah.
Yes. So when we take 2 out of parentheses, what do we have left here? The
1x plus 2y.
1x plus 2y, correct. But to write it properly, because 1x equal to,
1x equal x. Sorry.
yeah,
Sorry.
x plus
Because
2y.
if it doesn't have a coefficient, then it's just x.
Yes. So this is the answer. Right.
See, that's smart. Combining the information I got taught in class with the information I got taught in tutoring.
Yes. So you will be like getting this time 99 out of 100.
Yeah.
Yes. What score will make you getting A plus? 90?
90,
90?
90 to 100.
90 to 100. Oh.
So
So
the score works like for an F, it has to be like what, like 0 to 15,
oh, so maybe
and then for like a D, it has to be like 50 to 59 or
59.
something.
Oh, okay.
For a C, it has to be 60 through 79.
69.
No, for a C, it has to be 60 to 79.
Oh, and then
And then for B, it's 80 through
90.
89, and then A's 90 to 100.
Okay.
So then I just got my second ever A.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah!
You will. Okay, so next one, number 19 plus 2.45. What property will be using here? Number 19. We have, okay, we
We're
have
simplifying it, opening the parentheses. Is this distributive?
distributive. So a little bit strict to identify is when we have parentheses and multiplication, so we're distributive, right? Mhm. So then we distribute 10 inside each term, meaning 10 times y square. 10 times y square equal to
Equal 10y.
y
because we don't know what y is essentially.
Yeah, but this is y square. Don't forget the square.
Oh yeah, 10y squared
Yes, plus
plus
10
the
times,
2.5
yes, 10
equals
times
2.50.
2 point,
Two no 2.450
yes.
jig.
So then this is equal to 10y square plus
2.45.
10 times 2.45 times 10.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
10
we
times
good.
2.25 is
1 to 12.5 12.45.
when we time 10, we just shift it to the right. Oops, that is
Oh, to the
left.
right.
Yes,
I shift to the left, but okay.
yeah, to the right. When we multiply with 10, shift to the right. When we divide by 10, shift to the left.
Okay.
Okay. So this is equal to,
Is equal is the zero under 5 or 4?
shift to the right. So 2
No,
point
but like is
this. What is this? And 10 times
is
2.45. We shift decimal to the right. So decimal here becomes here
44.5 times. Oh, okay.
24.5, right?
Zero zero plus zero
2.4
5
times 10, so it's
plus 4 plus
24.5.
24.50. Wait,
Can we calculate further?
no.
No, so this is the result. This is
Yeah.
the result, okay? And next, now we have 19, 20, 21, 19. Okay, last one, 20s. This is today.
Number 20.
Yes, number 20. Oh, 3 over 4 plus parentheses z cubes plus 4. Okay. What property will be using? Adding
As-
parentheses.
Associative.
Associative, yes, associative. So we know that we cannot adding z cube plus 4. So we need to group with the other teams. But result will be the same. So we need to group with other team. What should be grouping with what?
3 4.
3 over 4. So z cube will be remain the same. 3 over 4 should be grouping with 4.
3 4.
3 4 grouping with 4 because that is the number with the number.
But we need a common denominator.
Yeah, and then we need the common denominators.
Then we need to common
Yes, or to make it a little bit easier than that, what do we need to do? We divide them and get the decimal numbers. 3 over
Oh, we can just
4, yeah.
okay.
3 over 4, what is the result of 3 over 4? We have 0, like we add 0 because 3 is lesser than 4, so we have 0. How many times 4 goes to 30?
7,
7. 7 times 4 is 28.
28.
So we have 2 left. Can we divide 2? Can we divide 2 divide by 4? Can
No.
No. So we add 1 was 0.
0.
How many times 4 go to 20?
5.
5, right? 5 times 4 is 20. So this is terminated. That's all.
25 to 75.
Yeah, so z cubes plus 0.75 plus 4. Correct? This is easy.
Oh,
Right? This is easier. 0.75 plus 4 equal to,
4.75.
yes, 4.75. So 4.75. This is
Yeah,
the,
we can't calculate anymore.
okay, so
We can't.
let's try further more. Write the later letter of
Hold
the expression. I think
on.
I think we can understand, or you can understand the number 21 to number 24.
Yeah,
So you can do it by yourself, right? Not very difficult.
yeah, but yeah,
So I
yeah.
think we should correct the number 25, 26 for the preparation tomorrow because it's already tomorrow. Need to prepare.
Hold up. I'm gonna send you something and let me see if you can see it. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Number 25, number 26.
What? No, not that. Oh my god. Not that. Not that. Not that.
Okay, okay. Oh, this is GCF. You already did it. Prime factorizations.
Yeah. Never mind.
But
Okay.
we have the word problem here, 25 to 27. I think maybe. Wait.
So you want me to do 27?
Okay, let's do 25, 26, 27 together. Uh,
Okay.
21 to 24, I think you can do it by yourself, right? Or should we correct? Should we do it together or we can do it?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's do it quickly. So 20,
Rock paper scissors.
yes, 21, 21. Which one is the answer? A, B, C. So we have 5 times.
There's multiple answers, by the way.
Yeah, it's multiple. It's the MCQ.
Like for example, for 21, it could be both B and C.
21, it will be, okay, now we do the distributive. 5 times 2x will be 5 times,
Well, for I know it's A.
5 times 2x is
5 times 10 x
10x. 5
plus
times
15
3 is plus 15. So the answer is
A
A
and B.
and B. Okay, A and B. 10, 10. Okay, correct. So A and B. So answer is A and B. Number. Okay, so this is A and B correct. 22. 4 x minus h equal to which one?
It's B.
Yes, B. So we take 2 out of parentheses. What remaining is when we take 2 out of the 4x, we have 2x
We have, yeah, subtracted by 4.
subtracted by 4. So the answer is B.
B.
23, we have
20.
12x minus 16.
Yeah.
So the how which or how what
Let's
number
say
takes what number we take out of parentheses
4.
4. So when we take 4 out of parentheses, what remain in the parentheses?
3x subtracted by 4.
3x subtracted by 4. So the answer is,
C. But are you checking if there's like multiple answers or no?
it's multiple answer, but we can
No, like there
choose.
is actually multiple answers. I saw the answers in class, but I didn't write them down.
Oh.
So I don't know what the answers are, but I know for a fact that there's multiple answers.
There is multiple answer. You can
Yeah.
check. So A, will it be equal? Will it be equal?
No.
9.6x plus or minus 16 plus 2.4. Will it be the same x? Oh, will it be the same?
Yeah, it's gonna be the same.
It's gonna be the
Yeah.
same. So 12x minus 16. It's the same. So A also correct. A also
Yeah.
correct. Okay, now 24. 24, we have 2 times 6x plus 1 over 2 equal to, if we distribute them, 2 times 6x, which is 12x. 12, how do I write 12? 2 times half, 2 times 1 over 2, which is equal to
Two times one, two one
1.
whole.
Yes, 1.
Whole.
So the answer is B
B and
and
C.
C. Okay, B and C. So B and C correct. So also B also correct as well. Don't forget
Yeah.
that. Okay, new slide. So let's do word problem. Word problem. Word problem. They say write the algebraic expression that represent each purchase. Each purchase. We know that soccer ball, soccer. This is soccer. Cost $15. Baseball, baseball cost $6. And sweatshocks, sweatshock, let's say SS, is $5. This is $5. So A, Mr. Tonkery, so Mr. Tonkery is bought X number of soccer and
It,
three baseball. How do we write these expressions?
is it like something like x plus 3 times 6 or no?
X soccer. So for example, iPhone costs $1,000. You buy, let's say we don't know amount of iPhone you bought. Let's say they were at X. We bought X number of iPhone. So how many dollars you have spent? One iPhone
12,000
Yeah, one iPhone costs $1,000, but you
or
bought,
1,000 or
$1,000.
3,000.
One iPhone is $1,000, but you bought X number of iPhone. So
Is it just like 1 times x or something? 1,000 times x.
yeah, 1,000 times X.
Oh,
Similar,
okay, now
yeah. Similarly, now you bought X soccer, and each soccer costs $50. So how?
wait, I think I get the question. Can I tell it
Yeah,
to you? X, no, sorry, $15 times x
time X
plus
plus
$6 times three baseballs.
6 times 3. Okay, correct. So just omit the unit first. If you add with the unit dollars here, maybe sometimes you may confuse, right? So ignore the dollars first. So it's
Multiple.
15 times x plus 6 times 3, correct?
So it's 15x plus 18.
Yes, correct. So plus 18. This is the answer for A. How about B? B, they say Dennis, Eddie, and Felix.
Did you
Uh,
say finish?
Felix. Is it Felix?
Mhm.
Dennis, Eddie, and Felix
Yeah.
are on the baseball team. They each bought a baseball and X pair of the sweat sharks. Okay. They each they each bought a baseball and X pair of sweatshirt. How do you rise? A baseball meaning one baseball,
$6
six
plus
dollar plus
plus times $5.
sweatshirt. X pair, we don't know how many pair, but X pair of sweatshirts.
Yeah, X times $5, no?
X times $5. Yes, X times $5. So X times $5. But don't forget, we have three people: Dennis, Eddie, and Felix.
Oh no.
So
No, it's 6 3 plus, yeah, plus X times 5.
so we write as these parentheses times three people. Each of them bought the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So times three. So three times a
3
baseball. Yeah, three times a baseball, which is $6. X pair of sweatshirt, which is X times $5.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, let's write it in a proper way. Three times six plus
6 plus
five x.
5.
Alright. This is a proper way. You can write x times 5 because x times 5 and 5 times x is the same
Okay.
due to
Yeah.
commutative, right? Commutative, we can x times 5, 5 times x are the same. So this is
Okay.
C. Okay, this is A, correct. A finish, B finish. Let's move a little bit further. 26. Suppose that x have the same value in both of the expression you wrote for exercise 25. Are the two expressions wrote equivalent? Oh, so the question is, will these two are equivalent? Okay, so 26, they ask, are these two, but this is problem 26, are these two expressions are the same? Number 26, they ask, are these two expressions are the same? What do you think? Will they be the same or not?
Yeah.
Yes, because of
The same they're just the same numbers, essentially.
yes, because we do the distributive, right?
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
the same number, but we do the distributive. So we have three times. This is six plus five x. When we distribute them here, three times six is
18 plus
18
18.
plus 3 times 5 is 15x. So this is equal to A here is 15x plus 80, right?
Yeah.
So this is equivalence, equivalent,
Equivalent expressions.
yes. Okay, so last one. Oh, we can finish last one. Critics reasoning. Critic reasoning. Wendy say that soccer ball costs 2.5 times as much as time as much as baseball. Do you agree? Okay, this is
Well, we'd have to
time.
move for that, right?
Yes, So one person tell that soccer ball cost 2.5 times baseball. Do you agree?
No, hold up, I'm doing the math. One, no, 10. No,
No, why no?
8.
So 2.5, right? How do
Yeah.
you do the operation to give the answer?
For first, I turned 2 and 1/2 into like a proper fraction, a
Yeah, into the
proper.
proper fraction. So what is
So it's 5/2 because
5
2 times 2 is 4 plus 1.
correct? So 5 with 2, and
And then I
then
multiplied it
multiply.
with by 6/1, 6/1,
Baseball is $6. Okay, $6, which is six
six
over
over
one.
one
So 5/2 times six
equals 30/2,
equal 30/2,
which equals 15.
which equal to $15, right? So is this equals?
What is
Yes, sir.
what is equal?
They say soccer ball costs two half time as much as baseball. This is the price of baseball, right?
Wait,
So
wait.
now,
Yeah.
yeah. So now two half of baseball equal to $50. Is
Wait,
it?
no, so she was right.
Yeah. Is it equal to the soccer ball?
Like
Here, soccer ball.
$15. Yeah,
Yeah.
to the $15 is, yeah,
Yeah. So I agree with
Wendy.
Wendy. So Wendy is good.
Correct.
Let's say he's good. He tell correctly. Okay, now we finish all the exercise. So
And then I'll see you tomorrow.
yeah, see you
Wait,
tomorrow
yeah.
with the good grades.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
goodbye. Bye.